Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another official Motor Mike video on the World Wide Web. Today we are here with, Judy, as always, because why would I drive Priscilla, We are here with Judy, and we have a very special guest to the Motor Mike channel, yeah? Today I have my first ever student of how to drive stick shift in the classic car. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Gabby, my beautiful girlfriend.
Hello.
Look at her.
Hello.
Motor Mike is actually attracted to female. Would you believe that? I sure as hell don't.
Yeah, he's not gay. Or is he?
He could be. There's rumors going around. So Gabby, you're gonna be teaching how to drive today, eh? Have you ever drove a stick shift before?
You showed me one time, but I don't remember that much.
I showed her very briefly, so this is gonna be her first actual drive. We're in a nice empty parking lot, so that way she doesn't crash into a car and flip us over and kill us or anything. So without further ado, let's get into the drive. Would you mind if I hopped in with you? No, too bad. My car. Oh, it's such a tight squeeze. Okay, welcome. Stick shift driving 101. Right now the car's on, but you're not gonna go anywhere because the handbrake's on. So we're all good for the moment. You see down here? That's your gas, obviously. If we hit that, that's what makes the car go vroom vroom. Your brake's in the middle, and then your left one is the clutch. That's your clutch, bro. That's what we're gonna be learning today. So press it all the way down a couple times.
What, the clutch?
Just get a feel for it. See how it operates, see how springy it is. There you go. So I'm gonna run you through the gears, okay? So keep your foot on the clutch. Take your right hand. Don't take your foot off the clutch. Just, I'm gonna show you. No, just touch the gear stick. There you go. So your gears are pretty much going to be, first is up there. Second is down there. We'll mostly be in first and second today because it's a small parking lot. But if you go over and, oh, easy, tiger. Over and up is third, and then down is fourth.
What's the point of the third and the fourth gear?
The faster you're going, you shift up higher. Reverse is if you push down and if you push it down, and then, no, you gotta go. That's reverse, when you go like that. But don't worry about that, we're gonna be going literally 1, 2. Sound good?
Yeah, sounds good.
So put your right foot on the brake. You can take your left foot off the clutch for the moment. I'm putting down the handbrake, okay? So now the car will roll back. You put your right foot on the clutch, left foot on the clutch. Go in the first gear. There you go. Now take your right foot off the brake. Right foot off the brake. Give it a little gas. A little more gas, and let your left foot up slowly. There you go, more gas. Off the clutch.
Ah.
There you go. See?
And jerked us a little.
That's what happens when you first start driving stick shift. So you have to just do a couple laps, get used to how the car reacts to the gas pedal and stuff. And then we're gonna go for second gear, okay? So keep going straight. No, I'll tell you when to turn. Oh, okay, guess not. Ready? So this one, now go straight and put in the second gear. Ready? Give it more gas. Off the gas, put in the clutch. Second gear. Now off the clutch. Give it more gas. There you go. Now when you come to a stop, ooh, little sports car. Meow. Ah! So when you come to a stop, put both your left and the right, put your left foot on the clutch and the right foot on the brake. You see, it stops unlike last time we tried doing this.
Yeah, much.
So now, put this in first gear. And then take off the way I taught you, with the gas and the clutch. So give it some gas. Let off the clutch. Give more gas. Less clutch. There you go. Go for second gear. Go straight and put in the second. You can shift faster than that, okay? Oh, okay. I'm Just that.
Okay, that was.
Maybe I should have moved it on you like that. My bad.
What just happened?
No, you're good.
What did you do?
You know, when you were driving, I put it in the first gear and your foot wasn't completely on the clutch. Whoopsie daisy. You're good. No worries.
Sorry.
No, it's my fault. Ready? So take off. You're in first gear already. So off the clutch. I mean, off the brake. There you go. Now listen to me. All right, go, go, go. Less clutch. Less clutch. Less clutch. Oh my goodness. Go for second gear. Left foot on the clutch. Off the gas pedal. Oh yeah, off the clutch now. You're good. There you go. See?
It's a little weird.
A little weird.
I'm used to the automatic. Automatic.
You're a little bit of a pansy.
No, I'm not.
This is a real man's car. You couldn't tell.
Well, in case you don't remember, I'm a female. I identify as a female.
You identify as a female?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or am I an alien?
You could be an alien. All right, so we're gonna come to a complete stop again. Left foot on the clutch, right foot on the brake. Good girl. Put it in neutral. Now I'm gonna get out and watch you drive around, okay?
Okay.
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 Try not to crash or flip it.
I can't promise anything.
No promises?
Mm-mm.
All right. Well, it was a fun ride, Judy. I'll miss you, man. There you go. Look at her. She's a natural. You know, it's weird. It's weird seeing your own car get driven around. It's funny. It's funny to see your own car get driven around like that. Judy's a good-looking car. By the way, my window doesn't work, so we're gonna have to talk to. So how was it?
It was interesting.
You want to give it one more lap for me?
Yeah, one more.
One more lap? All right. Give her the beans, man. Ah! Oh no, my clutch. Oh, my poor clutch. Oh. Gabby shifted. Oh, she's screaming. Second gear. There you go. Look at her. I can probably run faster than freaking Judy. Ah! Keep driving. Put it in first. Come on now. You're not even paying for gas. Just drive. Ah, my clutch. Oh, second gear. Oh no. Oh, poor Judy, man. Oh, poor. She's not going to be the same after today. Let's get that up close. Ah! Hey, man, you stole my car, man. I bet you she stalls out if she don't put it in neutral. How was that?
It was fun.
It was fun. You enjoyed? Put it in neutral for me. Shake it left and right. Put the hand. You see the handbrake in the middle?
This?
Yeah. Yank that up. That's good. Let your foot off the clutch. Good job. Look at you. All right, get on my car now, man.
No.
What do you mean, though?
No.
Your lesson's over, Missy.
It's my car now.
It's not your car.
It's my car.
All right, to drive away with it, then. If it's your car, drive away, yeah. If it's your car, drive away with it, then, huh?
Okay, maybe I will.
Okay, yeah, do it. I bet you can't even get the handbrake down.
Okay, fine.
Lift it up a little bit. There you go, now put it down. You're a smart girl, you're so smart. Yeah, if it's your car, drive. Yeah, so long? What do you mean so long, huh?
So long, sucker.
Ah! Oh, second! You're killing me, Smalls. Oh my goodness. If you guys did enjoy today's motor mic training video, I highly suggest you subscribe, and you yourself could learn how to drive stick shift like that. Thank you so much for watching this short little video. We're up 280 subscribers, which is crazy, so thank you for everyone's support, and I shall see you in the next upload. Peace in the Middle East, my guy. 2023 is your year. Make your dreams come true. And you, Missy,
What?
you did a good job today.
Oh, thank you.
See you in the next upload.